So as I'm getting close to getting this project done, you can see that today what I did is I went through and added caulk up here along the edge, just kind of make it look a finished look. I was tempted to go through and do all of the up and downs like I did with this one. However, I decided not to. First of all, it was going to take me quite a bit of time to do. And then I'm like, there's going to be cans there the whole time. Why go to that extra work? So I just went ahead and caulked all the way around all the top edges here. You can see that. And now I'm getting ready to start painting all the things. I'm not going to fill in like screw holes, things like that. I'm just going to paint over. And then if it doesn't look good, I'll decide to either add a little bit of caulk over those, or I don't know. I don't think it really matters that much to fill them in or not fill them in. So that's where we are right now with this rotating pantry system, and hopefully I should have it all painted here in the next couple days.